Hello, little friends. I'm red color, bright and shiny. Come with me, let's meet my red buddies. Red apple, red jacket, red car, red rose, red cherry, red ball. Hello, little friends. I'm blue color, cool and calm. Come with me, let's meet my blue buddies. Blue cap, blue balloon, blue blueberries, blue car, blue t-shirt, blue butterfly. Hello, little friends. I'm yellow color, bright and cheerful. Come with me, let's meet my yellow buddies. Yellow banana, yellow sun, yellow taxi, yellow lemon, yellow chick, yellow cheese. Hello, little friends. I'm pink color, sweet and lovely. Come with me, let's meet my pink buddies. Pink flower, pink pig, pink skirt, pink candy, pink ribbon, pink cupcake. Hello, little friends. I'm green color, fresh and friendly. Come with me, let's meet my green buddies. Green broccoli, green dinosaur, green frog, green leaf, green turtle, green cucumber. Hello, little friends. I'm orange color, warm and happy. Come with me, let's meet my orange buddies. Orange carrot, orange car, orange pumpkin, orange hat, orange balloon, orange cup. Hello, little friends. I'm purple color, royal and magical. Come with me, let's meet my purple buddies. Purple grapes, purple dress, purple balloon, purple cap, purple car, purple eggplant. Hello, little friends. I'm brown color, cozy and strong. Come with me, let's meet my brown buddies. Brown bear, brown coffee, brown wood, brown horse, brown chocolate, brown car. Hello, little friends. I'm black color, bold and mysterious. Come with me, let's meet my black buddies. Black cat, black sunglasses, black bag, black hat, black balloon, black car. Hello, little friends. I'm white color, bright and pure. Come with me, let's meet my white buddies. White rabbit, white snow, white milk, white tooth, white swan, white car,